Today I have another haul video for you. I ordered a few items from Craft Stash, so let me open the package and show you what I bought from them. Okay, first I bought the whole collection of Spectrum Noir Hint of Color, I think they call it, from Crafter's Companion. These are all the colors they came up with recently, which are a little bit lighter from their original color. I really wanted these, and on Craft Stash website the price was lower than HSN, so I ordered these from them. I ordered this stamp and die set, which Crafter's Companion came up with for their Infinity box. I don't have the Infinity box dies, but I thought the stamp and dies in this collection is really cute and useful. Let me show you, because these are like their balloon stamps but smaller, and you get dies for everything. So I'm really happy I ordered these. I ordered these two edgeable dies. I only ordered the two I like the most, the cupcake one and the balloon bouquet one. I ordered these two Twirling stamp and dies. If you watched my previous videos, you already know I have the Twirling stamp and dies bundle Crafter's Companion has had on HSN website, and I ordered them on AutoShip. These two stamp and die set are not even on the AutoShip program, so I ordered them from Craft Stash because they were cheaper even from their Crafter's Companion website. I really like Craft Stash. They have really good price, and actually I would say reasonable price for these products. I will put the link below for the video I made for this stamp and die set collection. So if you're interested, you can check it out. Okay, that's it for today. Really appreciate you being here. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Peace out, you.